Hi, I'm Sakshi. My daughter here is Arya Banga. I have got her admission here in Footprints on 3rd April. This is her first month here. The center name is Footprints. I have come across this center and it's nearby to my place, which is one of the main reason I have chosen the same. I think in today's life, wherein both the parents are working, it's really very important for child to get interacted with a lot of people outside or children of her age, so that they get to learn new things along with the trained teachers that are being hired here. So my company has a tie-up with lot of daycare centers, and through that list only, I have come across that there is Footprint Center. When I came here, I saw that meal is something that has been also given to here. Plus, the teachers are very friendly and care that they were providing to the other children. I thought my children would be, comfortable here, considering she's just 15 months old right now. And the other part was safety, obviously as well, because there are a lot of safety checks while you enter the center or even in the classrooms. There are certain safety checkpoints which you need to have before you enter the place. Whenever she's here, she enjoys her time here, and whenever she's at home, obviously she's her with family, so she enjoys at both the places equally. I think it's good. I visited 3 times this center before actually making up my mind whether I should put her up here or not, or whether she'll be eating whatever has been fed here. But I have gone through the chart that they have prepared, or nutritionist has been prepared for the center for everyone, and I think it's a very good thing that first the children will get to learn to eat everything along, even if she is not eating some things at home, but because she's seen other children eating here, she tries at least. So I think that's good. Yes. Yeah. As whenever I see there is a new activity that has been introduced to her, she takes active part in indulging herself. So that's good. I think mostly I would, because everything here seems good to me. Yeah, looking forward for more good experience. I would give 5, obviously, because a lot of factors: the food, the teachers, safety checkpoints, and the feedbacks. The receptive feedback nature that they have. If at any day, I'm not satisfied with the services, I don't think I'm afraid to reach out to the director here, Natasha, and she takes it very positively and keeps a check on it.